Well, hello everybody. Welcome again. Today is a really small episode. That's because of I had to do a lot of things at home and also outside home, so I didn't really had time to make this better as I could. I would say so. I just made a quickie. Yeah, it's me just trying out some different kind of shapes of monsters because I want some more designs for monsters just to kind of see what you can do with it. So I'm just kind of experimenting. Still, it's really falling into the same realm, but that's with a reason. Um, you see me at the kind of spiky teeth right now, which I must say I really enjoy. If I look at it right now, I think I really like it. Yeah. So now I'm just like deciding how I should fill it up. So you see me lay down the lines like this. Um, so yeah. You also hear the same music as one of my first videos, and that's because it's late. I'm unable to record. It makes too much noise to play on a clarinet or a saxophone or any other instrument. Right now you see me lay down those like things that looks like pipes or a worm, I would say. And I'm just kind of like thinking like what am I gonna do with this, empty space? How am I gonna fill it up? So I decided to do that construction with it. Yeah, it's a lot of kind of like playing, like okay, how can I change it up? How can I, make it a little bit more interesting? And that's why I like this drawing style. You need to puzzle a lot. You don't really need to think about what's possible, but you need to think about okay, what would look good. It's not of course proportionate to anything because this thing doesn't exist, which is also really trippy, right? You're making something that has never been made before. I like that. If you draw a face, the chances are quite big that it looks like another face. So that's why I like this drawing. But as I stated before, it is just one quick video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, bye bye.